Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today I will present the marketing strategy for traditional Malaysia product Kuih Deram NZ produced by NZ.com Maju Enterprise. Firstly, my name is Alif Naam bin Nasharuddin. My number matric is TB230033. I am from section 2. This project was carried out to achieve three main objectives. Firstly is to introduce Kuih Deram NZ to national and international market, to expand the target market through social media and e-commerce, to enhance the product image through rebranding and digital promotion. Next, we go to project planning and product overview. In terms of project resources, we use material like flour, brown sugar, oil, paper plastic packaging, and product sticker. That is our material. And manpower, we just take 2-3 workers for mixing, frying, and packaging from the production department. And thirdly is a machine. We use a heavy duty door mixer, iron stove, and heat seal machine. The entire project was complete within 7 weeks, covering planning, purchasing material, test batch production, actual production, packaging, marketing, and distribution. We look the market research. Market analysis show a growing trend where traditional food are given a modern twist, especially to attract younger consumer. SWOT summary, we make like as for strengths, authentic taste, affordable price, clean and packaging. Debut for weaknesses, short shelf life compared to commercial snack. Opportunity, high demand in grocery store, school, cooperative, and online platform. T for trade, strong competition with lower price seller. Kuih Deram NZ also has export potential to Singapore, Brunei, the UK, and Saudi Arabia because Malaysian overseas seek traditional product. We look the marketing strategy for P. Firstly, P is a product. Kuih Deram in 3 variation like original, cheese, and chocolate. Packaging option include 18 pieces, 14 pieces, 100 pieces, and door gift pack. Another P is a price. Competitive pricing starting from 4 ringgit to 25 ringgit depending on quantity. Other P is a place. Distribute through more than 30 selected retail shop, convenience store, and online platforms such as Shopee, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And the lastly, P is a promotion. Social media promotion the package from TikTok like Instagram, Facebook, and other. Others like is a Shopee platform. So the result is the digital marketing strategy provide highly effective. Sale increase mainly through retail distribution and online order. Festive season such as Hari Raya Aidilfitri record the highest sale. Customer feedback show they enjoy the product more when heated hot, especially cheese and chocolate variant. And lastly is a conclusion. In conclusion, the project successfully improved brand visibility, increase customer awareness, and strengthen the product image of Kuih Deram NZ. For future improvement, the project can focus on higher production capacity, new product variation, stronger branding, and collaboration with influencer or additional e-commerce platform. So that's it from me. Assalamualaikum and thank you.